Assalamualaikum students, how are you? I hope you will also be fine and be aware of the smoke. Okay, today we have to discuss about a very interesting topic, what you can do to help to around your house, like cleaning, dusting and folding the clothes. Like we have the word span given on workbook page number 65. You can take help from the word bank and make your sentences. Like I can do a lot of work in my house, so I am sharing with you the work I can do. I can help to fold my clothes. I can help to iron the clothes. I can help to mop the floor. I can help to take out the trash. I can help in doing dusting. I can help to wash the clothes. So if you want to make it more interesting, please share your small video while doing your housework around your house. And thank you, and do the workbook page number 65 under the supervision of your parents. Thank you.